Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to uninstall Android Studio completely from your system. So you might be having some reasons that you want to uninstall your Android Studio completely from your system. So in this video I am going to show you in detail how you can completely uninstall it. So for that, in my previous videos I have showed you how to install Android Studio. So let's close this application first, and you need to go to search and to just simply type control panel over here. So as soon as you type control, you'll be able to see control panel over here. So just simply open the control panel, and here you need to click on these programs. So you can see program and features. So you can click on this uninstall a program, and you can see that we have list of all programs that we have on this system. So from here, the first one is Android Studio. So we have installed Android Studio previously. So now we want to uninstall it. So select this and then click on uninstall, and it will ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and you can see this uninstall window is slightly open. Select Android user settings also and click on next, and click on uninstall, and remove all component. Click on yes, and you can see that it is rightly started uninstalling our Android Studio. So it is completed now. So but this is not all right. So now we have uninstalled Android Studio, but still there are several components that are lying on our C drive. So let's go to C drive and go to users, and you can see you'll be able to see your username over here. So I have this username, so I'll go inside that user, and you can see we have a lot of files over here, right? So from here, first thing that I need to delete is this .gradle. So just simply select and click on delete to delete our .gradle. You can see it is properly deleted. Now it's time for our Android Studio project. So this project we have created previously, remember. So you can always take a backup of this folder. So whatever projects you might be having 3 or 4 projects over here, so you can take a backup of this folder into some other place, and then you can delete this. So I'll just simply delete this as it's just a hello world project. Alright, so it is now removed. So now what you need to do is you need to click on view, and you need to hover over show, and to enable these hidden items. So see, right before that we have a check icon, right? So that is enabled. So once you have that enabled, you will be able to see certain folders like this app data. See, so this is a hidden item, right? So now after you uncheck that, you will be able to see that hidden folder here as well. So you need to go inside this app data folder, and then you need to go inside this local folder, and here you can see we have a lot of folders. So from here you need to delete this Android folder. So select the Android folder and click on delete icon, and it's going to start deleting our Android folder from here, and you can see that is successfully deleted. You'll be also able to see these packages like Kotlin, then main.kts compile cache, all that. So I'll also going to select these 2 items and going to click on delete. So those 2 are also deleted now, right? So now you need to go inside your Google folder, and here you can see we have a couple of Android Studio projects created. So you need to delete all the Android Studio related stuff from here as well. So that is also gone now. Now you go back to your app data, and then you need to go to roaming folder. So here if you go inside Google folder, you'll be able to again see Android Studio lying over here. So you need to select that. You need to delete this also as well. So all these folders is what you need to remove. So you can close this now. So we have successfully removed all the components. So now if you go to search and simply type Android Studio, so still you are able to see Android Studio over here, right? So for that, what you need to do is you need to right click and click on this open file location. So that will show you again under start menu, then programs, we have Android Studio also lying over here, right? So you need to again right click and you need to delete this folder as well. So once you delete all that, so you can close this folder now. And now again if you go to search and type Android Studio, that no longer going to show. Alright, so that is just the exe that is lying over here, but our app that was there is now completely removed. Now you can again reinstall Android Studio if you want, or you want to go ahead with your live, that also you can do. Alright, just that's how you get rid of Android Studio. So that's basically all about this video. I have also started Geeky Syntax channel, so please do subscribe our Geeky Syntax channel as well. So here regularly I am posting coding related videos, and I have also started Geeky Script vlogging channel. So if you're interested, you can also subscribe this channel as well. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.